just woke up from a nap, huh? We'll tell Daddy. Daddy, I just woke up from my nap. Mommy's gonna show you how I grab for things. Look at that, Daddy. Look how he does. What do you want to get? Momo. Momo, look. Woo! Lost your balance. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. I'm getting a little hungry. We're getting hungry. Hi-oh. Tell Daddy. Say, Dad, I'm getting a little hungry. Look it's 7:08 at night, and I just woke up from a little nap. Tell Dada. Baron. Baron. Baron Genie. Baron Genie. Mama, look at your bruises. Say, Daddy, I fell over. I lost my balance and fell on my telephone. Tell Daddy. 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 Hi. Oh. Are you trying to get Daddy? You think Daddy's in this phone? We'll try to get Daddy. Oh, you're gonna dance it out? Ooh. Show Daddy how you grab your stuff. Grab it. Wow. Good work. Clapping. Clapping. We practiced clapping earlier today, didn't we? Before Mama went to work. Oh. 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 Oh, drama. Oh, sleepy tired's. Wanna have your baba soon? I really wanted Daddy to see how you attack Sophie. How you attack Sophie. What? What? Where's Sophie? Oh, tired? Oh, are you sleepy tired? See, Daddy, I had a bad day. I think I'm a little fussy today. I think I'm getting my teethies soon. I think that's what's going on with me. I think that's what's going on with me. Look at this hair, Daddy. Wow. Look at that hair. Still got that bald spot in the back. Oh, am I talking about your bald spot you don't like? Still has his bald spot. Wow. Still the monkey baby, right? Still the monkey baby. Oh, okay. We're going to turn off. Say bye, Daddy. Say, I love you, Daddy. Goodbye, Daddies. Oh. Okay, Mama. All right. Bye, Daddy. We love you.